Let's introduce the installation of cavity bars. Find the positioning of the prepared nail. Previously bought a white one. Now install an original wood color. Marking the location of the hole punch. Be sure to mark it carefully. Punching holes with electric drill against the mark. Use a vacuum cleaner to clean the dust inside the hole. Insert expansion screws. Fix the pegboard with screws. The whole thing is finished. Set up my own favorite ornaments. There are a lot of wooden sticks and shells. Whether it is used to hang items or place things are very practical. The pegboard have their adaptable accessories.